A dramatic scene out of Addison, Texas, of a crash involving a semi-truck on a busy freeway. Surveillance video shows a small car veering into the big rig, striking it near the passenger side of the cab. And look at that. The semi then veers into the median, flips over it, and lands on its side in the southbound lanes of the Dallas North Tollway. The truck also tore down a metal utility pole as it hurled over the concrete barrier. 6 vehicles were involved in the crash, but amazingly, no one was seriously hurt.
The truck was in that driver's blind spot.
Yeah.
The driver didn't look. That's awful. Wow.